The Broken Kite. In a small coastal town, a boy named Rohan loved flying kites. One windy afternoon, his favorite kite tore apart after hitting a tree. Heartbroken, he almost threw it away. But his grandfather smiled and said, "Sometimes, what breaks can teach you how to build stronger." Rohan decided to fix it. He stitched the torn fabric carefully, reinforced it with new bamboo sticks, and painted it bright red. When he flew it again, it soared higher than ever before. The repaired kite danced in the sky, stronger because of its scars. His friends watched in awe, realizing that the broken kite wasn't a symbol of failure, it was proof of resilience. Rohan's joy was not just in flying the kite, but in learning that strength often comes after struggle. Moral: don't give up when something breaks. Fix it, learn, and rise higher than before. If you want to see more like this story, please comment, click on like, share, and subscribe.